Hey, everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, how to use Wyze with Alexa. If you've been wondering how to integrate these two fantastic devices, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tech tips. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up Wyze device. First things first, ensure you've got the Wyze app installed on your device. Open the app and log into your Wyze account. Next, select the Wyze device you want to connect with Alexa. It could be a Wyze cam, bulb, or any other compatible device. In the device settings, look for the Works with Alexa option. Click on it, and Wyze will guide you through the setup process. Step 2. Enabling Wyze skill on Alexa. Now, head over to your Alexa app. If you don't have it yet, grab it from your app store. Tap on the menu and select Skills and Games. Search for Wyze and enable the Wyze skill. Link your Wyze account by logging in with your credentials. Step 3. Discover devices. Once the Wyze skill is enabled, say Alexa, discover my devices. Alexa will scan for connected Wyze devices and add them to your Alexa app. You can now control your Wyze devices using simple voice commands with Alexa. Step 4. Using voice command. Let's put this into action. For example, you can say, Alexa, show me Wyze camera name to view your Wyze cam's live feed on an Alexa-enabled device. You can also control Wyze bulbs, plugs, and other devices with commands like Alexa, turn on the device name. Conclusion. And there you have it. Integrating Wyze with Alexa is a breeze, giving you seamless control and monitoring options. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific tech topic you'd like us to cover next. Until then, happy Wyzing with Alexa. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.